Understanding neck and back injuries in a car accident claim. One of the most common injuries in a motor vehicle accident is a neck or back injury. Unfortunately, the attorneys at Berg Injury Lawyers know that many defense lawyers and insurance adjusters will try to use a string of excuses and defenses why they cannot pay victims for neck or back injuries. This includes claiming pre-existing injuries or the famous degenerative disc disease, which should lower or bar your recovery. Some important things that you need to know about neck and back injuries include that 1. If you have a pre-existing neck or back injury, you can still recover compensation. Even if you had a prior neck or back injury, you can still recover compensation. Defendants will try to argue that you shouldn't get anything, but that's just not the law. 2. Some neck and back injuries can take weeks or months to manifest symptoms, but many result in life-changing surgery. Some people after a car accident will feel perfectly fine at first, but weeks and months later may suffer crippling neck and back pain. Some victims may need a spinal fusion, which requires permanently stabilizing the vertebrae with painful rods and screws. Although a defendant may argue that it isn't related, the truth is that it almost always is related. 3. The fact that a doctor says you can go back to work doesn't mean your neck or back injury is okay or non-disabling. Defendants will often say that you have no neck or back claim if you were released to go back to work. That's just not true. 4. You can recover compensation even if you had a disability claim denied. Short or long-term disability and Social Security disability insurance claims require very specific things that are not required to prove a personal injury claim. Don't let a defense lawyer or insurance adjuster tell you that your personal injury case must also be denied, because that's simply not true and often a deceitful tactic to get you to settle for less. If you suffered neck or back injuries in a crash, call our bodily injury law firm. To learn more about how Berg Injury Lawyers can help you, please call our Northern California car accident lawyers by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.